Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. I create these 3-minute videos to provide you tips for stir frying to make your home cooking practical, efficient, creative, and fun. In this video, I would like to discuss the use of cooking wine in stir frying. First of all, let me talk about the different type of cooking wines. And the first type of cooking wines that you can use is just exactly the wine that you drink. We frequently refer them as table wine. And then we have a cooking wine that are specifically designed for cooking. The difference between table wine and the specific cooking wine, the difference is that a cooking wine has been fortified. The term fortify means that there are other things that are used to treat the table wine so that it make it become cooking wine. The main reason for the treatment is that table wine tend to be oxidized easily. So if you left table wine opened, you will find that the quality of the wine will change rapidly as they expose to air. However, for cooking wine, the wine has been treated in such a way that oxidation will not occur. So in this case, the wine can be stored for a much longer time period. Now, when you talk about cooking wine, you are talking about different type of wines. And their wines could be made from grape, which are wines which mainly used like in a regular type of a table wine. And a lot of this wine also are similar to what we know as dessert wine. For example, sherry is a good example. The other type of cooking wine that are mainly used in stir frying are wines that are made from rice. The flavor of cooking wine comes from 4 different sources. One is tannin, another is from the alcohol of the wine, and also from the acidity that produced by wine. And last is the ingredients that add during the fermentation process. And the best way to use cooking wine in stir frying is to add the cooking wine at the end of the stir frying process. This will prevent the wine from evaporating. So when you come to the end, after you shut off the heat, you can now season the dish with cooking wine. You can add a little bit at a time, and you can taste the flavor and to see whether you would like to add more or not. This way, you will retain all the flavor of the wine, include the alcohol, and this is the best way to season your dish. Now, many dishes react differently to the wine, and some food ingredients will absorb the wine more readily, such as mushroom. Other ingredients might not. So the best way is that to add a little bit at a time, do a taste test, and add some more as you see fit. And this is the best way for you to stir fry with cooking wine. If you have any question regarding this video, please write me at walkwithtak@gmail.com. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.